Right now I'm going to teach you the two Arabic short vowels, Kasrah and Dammah. I'm Husni Ibrahim and this is ArabicLangclub, how to read Arabic series. And let's get started. Kasrah is an E sound which follows the consonant and shapes its sound. By adding this little dash below the letter, you added E sound to the consonant. So we have Ba, Fatha, you're opening your mouth. And then we have B, Kasrah, you're lowering your jaw. Dammah, it's an U sound which follows the consonant and shapes its sound. By adding a comma above the letter, you added an U sound to the consonant. Now you need to apply three actions with your mouth with the three Arabic short vowels. Fatha, Ba, open your mouth. Kasrah, B, lower your jaw. Dammah, Bu, join and cycle your lips. Now in the second part of our video, we'll be reading Arabic, applying the three Arabic short vowels. Let's get started.
حبط حبط وجل وجل رحم رحم قدم قدم آسف أسف حزن حزن نعم نعم علم علم سمع سمع سعيد سعد شرب شرب حميد حمد ضحك ضحك جمع جمع خلق خلق رحم رحم شكر شكر ضرب ضرب فعل فعل شرب شرب رسم رسم ذكر ذكر لبس لبس غسل غسل أكل أكل قرأ كتبه قرأ كتبه جرح وشفي جرح وشفي خرج عمر ودخل خرج عمر ودخل مرض فضعف بدنه مرض فضعف بدنه قرأ كتبه فعلم قرأ كتبه فعلم نجح ولده ففرح نجح ولده ففرح ظلم فصبر فنصر ظلم فصبر فنصر. Okay guys, thank you for joining me today and I'll see you in the next video. إلى اللقاء. مع السلامة.